Lungs are the primary organs for respiration in human beings. They work tirelessly to supply oxygen to our body and expel carbon dioxide from the body. You may not think about the importance of your lung health until you experience a breathing problem. Lung damage can be caused by various substances and conditions such as air pollution, smoking, and other harmful toxins. When your lung health is affected, it impacts the quality of everyday life and can prematurely shorten your lifespan. Smoking is the biggest risk factor that leads to lung damage because the toxins in cigarette smoke weakens your lungs' defense against infections, narrows the air passages, causes swelling in air tubes, and destroys air sacs. According to the World Health Organization, tobacco kills more than 7 million people each year. Over 6 million deaths are a result of direct consumption, whereas 890,000 deaths are the result of passive smoking. Smoking kills over 1 million people in India annually, and is the fourth leading cause of non-communicable diseases, NCD, such as cancer and heart diseases, which account for 53% of all deaths in India. People who smoke, people who are exposed to air pollution, and people who have chronic conditions that affect the respiratory system can protect their lungs through detoxification. Hindrishi's Zero Tar Syrup is a perfect blend of modern research and ancient Ayurvedic heritage, which detoxifies and helps in strengthening the lungs with no side effects. It also removes toxins and prevents your lungs from harmful pollutants and ill effects of smoking. The syrup contains mulethi, tulsi, triphala, haldi, lasun, manjitha, shikakai, trikatu in sorbitol base, which cleanses the deposited tar from the lungs, and thus reduces the damage caused to them. It has also been a proven remedy for the treatment of asthma or chronic cough, and effectively reduces the possibilities of respiratory infections. Best time to detoxify lungs is now. Keep the lungs strong. Stay nirogi with Hindrishi Ayurveda.